Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Your girl is about to cook today. I am frying some fish and spaghetti. Show y'all my seasonings. Well, these are the two sauces that I'm using. My mushroom sauce, yes, pasta sauce. Of course, I'm using my tomato bouillon, my tahini, my chicken bouillon, black pepper, slap your mama, of course, and garlic. So, I already got my vegetables chopped up. I got my ground beef thawing out. So, I'm about to get ready to cook it. And I got some catfish nuggets, y'all. I ain't cooking no fillets, but it's fillet. But you know it's the smaller. If y'all bought these, I hate that little black part on them, but that's all I can find. And y'all know I told y'all I've been wanting some catfish. So, we about to get this catfish cooked today, honey. So, let's get started, y'all. So for my batter, y'all, I'm using a half a cup of meal, just a half a cup of meal, and I'm gonna use 1 cup of, this is a half cup of flour. I'm sorry, this is all-purpose flour, y'all, and I'm gonna use 1 cup of meal. So we got our vegetables a little dark. I'm about to put them to the side and we'll add my ground beef in. So we got our ground beef in, y'all, and we got it going. So we're gonna brown this ground beef up. And then I haven't seasoned it yet. I like to season mine and then drain my grease. That way I have a little seasoning in there, and then I'll season it, you know, as I go to. So sometimes I'm just gonna add in this both my bouillon, my chicken flavored bouillon, and I'm gonna add my tomato flavored bouillon, just a little. Don't put this in the actual spaghetti too, but I just be wanting to give it a little season. Okay. She is coming along. Let's see. Got a little ground beef on my spoon. It's hard. Yes, honey, golden brown. 3 more minutes. I'm gonna take this batch out and get ready to add my other batch. It's gonna be so good. Alrighty, I'll be right back, y'all. Alrighty, y'all, so I drained my ground beef and I put my onions back in there, so I'm about to add my sauce and I'm gonna season it a little bit more so it'll be good. So let's get it. So what I'm doing now, y'all, I'm just gonna add my spaghetti. Let me cut this part down. I'm frying my spaghettis, and the only thing I do with my spaghettis, once I finish cooking my sauce the way I want it to, you know, design thickness. Just add my noodles right in here. Wash my hands. So I will show y'all everything when I'm done. Let's turn this down a little more. We're gonna let this finish cooking. My grandmother used to add a little oil, a little cooking oil in hers. I do it sometimes because it do give it a good little, nice little slip, you know, when you eat it or whatever. Get a nice little slip off the lip, you know. But yeah, y'all. So that is it on that. And I'll show y'all my plate when I'm finished. I may do a salad. If not, y'all will see. But I'm gonna finish my fish and let this keep going for a little about 10 more minutes. Maybe 15 more minutes. And then I'll show y'all my finished product. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll be showing out. Alright, y'all. So this is how I make my tartar sauce, y'all. Just onion, relish, mustard, a little slappy mo, black pepper, pickle juice, because because I like the taste of pickle juice. I put pickle juice in there. A little sugar. And that's it. That's all I use, y'all. It's my tartar sauce. All right.